this it provides for a level playing field in democracy, right? And it also exposes the BJP. Prime Minister keeps on saying, where is the scam? Where is the scam? Or where it is now, Modi ji, right in front of your eyes. Your scam, this government scam. This is a huge ray of hope, not just for A, B, or C political party, but for democracy itself. It's a huge ray of hope for citizens of this country. Because this whole scheme, which was the brainchild of my late friend Arun Jaitley, was in fact choreographed to enrich the BJP, because everybody knew that the BJP was in power and that any donations through electoral bond scheme would come to the BJP. But the interesting part is that this electoral bond scheme had nothing to do with elections. It was really the bonding between the corporate sector and the BJP, which received the largest number of donations. And the donations they received over the years amounts to about 5,000 to 6,000 crores. Now, with 5,000 to 6,000 crores in your kitty, which is not to be used in elections at all, right? You can topple governments, you can build your infrastructure as a political party. What's also significant is that the State Bank of India, through which the bonds were sold, has to disclose the details of the bond and in whose name they stand to the Election Commission of India within 3 weeks of the date of this judgment. And within 1 week thereafter, the Election Commission has to display it on their website, which means we'll get to know as to who gave whom to which political party. And this doesn't apply only to the BJP. It will apply to state governments also, where political parties have been funded, whether the Congress was in power or the BJP was in power or other parties were in power, right? So we'll get to know the bonding between those who funded and the politics of the country. And also, you will get to know the quid pro quo, because nobody gives these huge amounts of money without a quid pro quo, right? Nobody would give an electoral bond for 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs. It'll be in crores, right? So if you've funded your political party with 5,000 to 6,000 crores, you can imagine only the rich could have done that. And they must have in the process got some favors. And that's exactly what the Supreme Court says, that nobody gives this kind of money without a possible quid pro quo. Now, what that quid pro quo is something that needs to be investigated. So I think in a sense, this it provides for a level playing field in democracy, right? And it also exposes the BJP to perhaps the biggest, the Prime Minister keeps on saying, where is the scam, where is the scam, or where it is now, Modi ji, right in front of your eyes, your scam, this government scam, the scam that you used for the purposes of political aggrandizement, the scam that you used for the purposes of persuading people to join you, apart from the ED and apart from the CBI.